I have a 1-year-old peach tree and I want to cut it in the center because there's lots of new growth and small branches coming out the side. It is now dormant for the winter. When should I prune my peach tree, and should I spray some of that black seal to prevent any rotting? And this is Mike. All right, Walt, so first question is, when should I prune my peach tree? Let's start with that one first. When's a good time to do that?
Here in the Memphis area, usually March would be a good time to prune your peach tree.
Okay.
Also, you want to make sure you cut out that central limb that's in the middle, because we want to train this tree where it grows up in like a bowl shape,
right,
so that the sun can get in there and, you know, dry out the peaches to help you culturally. Now, as far as
the black seal,
to prevent
rotting,
we've yet to find any research that really shows where that's beneficial.
Yeah.
But if it makes you feel good to do it, go right ahead and, you know, spray some of that on there. But it really doesn't do a lot of good.
right. It's of no use, really, you know, if you think about it.
Yeah.
Black seal, I'm sure that's something they used to do, you know, back in
I'm
the
sure.
day. Yeah,
Yes,
I'm sure.
yes. Oh, you know, back in the day, they used to paint them.
Right, right. They
you
sure
know,
did.
But since then, they've discovered that tree will naturally, you know, form its own little callus or
Sure.
whatever over it, and it'll
Right.
be fine.
Yeah, because anytime that you're sealing wounds, you're actually sealing in moisture,
Yes.
right, which could
Yes.
decay that limb or that branch. So
And
you
this
have
is
to think
just a
about that.
1-year-old tree.
1 year old, right.
And
Just
I
1 year
really
old.
like that he's pruning it from the very beginning,
Yeah.
getting it trained correctly.
Right.
That's going to pay big dividends down the road.
All right.
And following the fruit tree spray program
Yes, would be
will
good.
help too,
Yes, that will help.
with bugs and diseases.
Yeah, because as Mr. D would say, peaches, plums, and nectarines, you will need a spray schedule.
Yes.
All right. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.